In this video, I'll show you how to create a Performance Max campaign in Google Ads. First, sign into your Google Ads account and click Create. Then, select New Campaign to start the setup process. Next, choose a campaign goal such as sales, leads, website traffic, or store visits. After selecting your goal, choose Performance Max as the campaign type. Now, enter your campaign name and configure your bidding strategy. If you're focused on generating sales or leads, you can choose to maximize conversions or maximize conversion value. After that, set your daily budget and select the locations and languages you want to target. Next, add your business information and provide the final URL for your website. Google will use this information to help create and optimize your ads. Now, create an asset group. Upload images, logos, videos if available, and enter your headlines, long headline, descriptions, business name, and call to action. After that, add audience signals to help Google understand who is most likely to convert. You can include customer lists, website visitors, or interests related to your products and services. Next, review your campaign settings and make sure all assets and targeting options are configured correctly. Once everything looks good, click Publish Campaign. Google will begin reviewing your ads and start showing them across Search, YouTube, Gmail, Discover, Maps, and the display network. Finally, monitor your campaign performance regularly and update your assets, audience signals, and budget as needed to improve results. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a Performance Max campaign in Google Ads. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.